Hello, I'm Michael Sheen, and I want to tell you about a new fund from the Garfield Weston Foundation, which is one of the largest grant funders in the UK. Garfield Weston have launched a new anniversary fund to celebrate 60 years of giving. And I know there are lots of communities and schools and charities all across Wales who could really benefit from a slice of these funds. So the funds are aimed specifically at capital projects, which means if you have plans to develop a new space for the community, for instance, and if your organisation has an income of under £3 million a year, then you can apply for a grant between £30,000 and £150,000 to pay for a part or all of your costs to make it happen. So to find out more and see if your idea would be eligible, click on the links with this video and get your application in by the 30th of June 2018. All right, good luck.